Okay, in this video we're going to look at how to install and update, when you need to, Etch. So this is actually described very well in the Etch documentation. So if you pop along to docs.etchwp.com, you're going to find getting started and installation right here. And there are these 6 quick steps. From this page you can also check out the Etch child theme if you feel that you have need for that. I don't think I need that at the moment. I would use Fluent snippets in order to add anything that's in the functions PHP. But if you feel that that's something you need, you can obtain that here, or you can also get that. There's a link for it, and I suppose quite an updated link in your Etch dashboard. So the first thing you need to do, obviously, is obtain the different files. So Etch is a plugin, but it also has its own blank theme. And if you pop along to downloads, you'll be able to get your actual plugin files here and your theme files. So at the top, you'll find the newest versions. At the bottom of this page, you're going to see license keys. Click this and you're going to be able to obtain your license key. You need to put that in during installation just to activate it, and that's the same for the themes as well. So I've already got these downloads, but obviously click the download and it's going to go to your device, and you'll need to then upload it to Etch, which I'll show you how to do, or to WordPress, sorry, which I'll show you how to do in just a moment. I'm going to install 8 initially, just so that we can look at the update process afterwards. So grab your download for the plugin and then pop back to downloads and go to the theme, and again top. The top one is the newest, so 0.5, and again you're going to need to be able to get your activation, your license there as well. Okay, so I have what do I have? I have a clean install here. And we're just going to go along to plugins. So add plugin, just the same as usual, and drag it on in. So as I mentioned, I'm going to install version 8 and install, and then activate the plugin. Obviously that's not license activated at this point, and we see Etch appear at the bottom here. I'm just going to quickly jump to appearance and themes, add theme, and let's install the theme while we're at it. So again, just drag it in, or you can click choose file and that'll go along to your device folders, obviously. Cool. And activate. Now it's time. We'll activate the plugin first, or put the license in. So click on Etch, and you'll see where we're going to add the license key. So as I mentioned, we're just going to go back to the plugin files and Freelancer. That's my package anyway. And once I click on here, we're going to see my license keys. So obviously not so keen on doing that with you guys. Sharing is caring, but I don't care that much. So license key, I'm going to copy that and just go back, and then go back to the dashboard, and yeah, you can't see it anyway, so that's good. So add in the license key, save and activate, and we see this site was successfully activated. So all done on that front. Then pop along to Etch theme, and I just need to go and grab the same from my theme license and license keys. Obviously again going to hide that, copy. Okay, I can bring you back to the screen here. So activate license, and just like many others, there we go, successfully activated for the site. All right, what that means is that Etch is now functioning on the site. In the earlier versions, I'm sure it then had launch Etch. I don't have a page on here or anything to click launch Etch, so I'm supposing, yeah, there's nothing just to launch Etch, which I'm sure it did have that in the beginning. So in this case, we would want to do something like add a home page and then we would edit with Etch, and we're able to launch. Oh, now I've seen this a couple of times and it's a bit frustrating, but it says that it's not, this has happened a few times when I redid this video. So I'm going to save and activate again. This is not a valid license. This has happened a couple of times. I don't know whether to submit it into anyone. So I'm just going to pop back. Oh, I do know actually why that is. Okay, no, the reason why that's not actually working is because I've installed version 8 and for some reason it's just not working with that. So I need to install the latest version. Okay, so let's go on to the update portion of this. So I've got 0.8 or version 8 installed, and it's not showing that there's an update, and this is why I wanted to include this. Okay, so it needs to be a manual update. Now, a lot of people that are coming over from page builders might not have done such a manual update before, which is why I thought it was worth putting it in this video. So what we need to do for that is go along to add plugin, and first of all, let's go and grab. Oh, I've got the latest version anyway downloaded, but I would take it from here. So we want version 9 and upload. Swing that on in there. If you've not done a manual update before, just click install now, and you see that we've got the current version 8 and then the newest version 9, and we just need to replace current with uploaded. That's cool. Go to plugin installer, and my feeling is now that it's going to show that it's oh look, we've got launch Etch up at the top there, so click. Oh no, apparently not. Okay, let's see what we can do. It's definitely the right one. Don't think I'm making some rookie mistake here, because I've been in the WordPress world for quite a while, but maybe well, it said I've activated the license, but this is not the first time it's happened. So we do want to check out why it's happening. 23rd. It has the activation in my website list. So so I'm going to delete, and I'm going to reactivate. You can't see because I just wanted to be sure. I didn't show my license, but yeah, okay, so definitely active. Let's do a launch. Oh, okay. So what I did there was I deleted it and then added it back in, all the same details, but we do have Etch launched, and of course that's how to manually update it as well. Cool. Okay, right, I'll leave that as it is and have fun with Etch. Next, we're going to have a little bit of a tour of the interface and start to understand a little bit more about this blank canvas. Cool. Thanks. Bye.